start your online classes. So it is our next lecture on operating system. Today we discuss an overview of an operating system on Windows NT, Windows 98 and the Linux operating system. So before starting the topic, we discuss some basic things which we can observe in the changes of the technology. So in the front of screen we see the two phones. Both are for the same phone category, of course. One is the bar phone, one is smartphone. The major changes in this technology is we are using bar phone in the older times. Of course, it is used for the calling purposes and storing purposes, but it is not provide any convenience to an user. So that's why it is replaced by the smartphones. Recently, few people are using, but the smartphone provides us more convenient as compared to bar phones, like it is easy to access. So that reflection we can see in the operating system also. So start with the topic with the difference between CLI and GUI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface and GUI stands for the Graphical User Interface. CLI, like you can consider a typing mode or typewriter type of operation. Like you should remember the commands, you should aware about and recall your memory every time when you want to do an operation. But in GUI, the screen will provide you easy access in the form of icons. Let's focus more on command line interface. A command line interface enables user to type a command in a terminal or screen or a console window to interact with the operating system. User responds to a visual prompt by typing a command on specific line and receive a response back from the system. User type a command or a series of command for each task which he or she want to perform. Of course, it responds very quickly because it is a easy access response system. But in graphical user interface, it has some delay as compared to command prompt. But it overruled by graphic user interface because it provides more convenience and comfort to user to interact with the system, because it provides a keyboard and a mouse to easy to use interface to a program. A graphical user interface pull down menus, buttons, scroll bars, iconic image, wizards, icons and mouse enabled users to interact with the operating system or application. In short, it means that it provides easy access to a user and allow to not remember the thing to operate. So that is the technical difference, the interface difference. See in the figure where all the icons present in the left side of your screen and the right side, the console mode provide you access by using typing a command and recalling command continuously. So major difference between the CLI and GUI is it enables to type manual command and GUI provides you to easy to interact with the visuals, and by using buttons, icons, images, we can interact with the OS. Next is it is easy to perform a task in GUI for a beginner users. On the other hand, CUI always need an expert in commands and the syntax. Further, GUI requires mouse and keyboards, while CLI requires a keyboard to work. Then next, greater precision can be achieved in CLI as compared to GUI. So next one is the GUI has the advantages over flexibility and CLI system are inflexible. Continuing to next, GUI consumers more system space and CLI needs less space resources and its memory. Then CLI appears could not be changed. In contrast, graphic user appears is adjustable. Then CLI is faster than GUI because CLI directly interact with the system and graphic user interface requires one middleware. So these all are the resources. If you want to go more focused on the topic, go through it. So next section we focused on the Windows operating system. That's it. And further any other queries, you can contact me, mail me or text me.